Hi, my name is Martina. I'm going to show you guys how to make the Bridgewater slaw. So you're going to start out with a red onion pan. We're using a red onion pan because we have onions in our slaw. And you're going to cut your kale. So we're going to weigh everything. So everything is in weights and you need to reference the recipe for this. So for your kale, you're going to start off by cutting the bottom part of the stem off, but you're going to keep the rest of the stem on. So I'm going to cut the bottom of my stem off. And then what I'll do is sort of tightly roll it, and then I'm just going to chop the kale. A little tight here. Okay, so after I've done that, I'm going to add it to my weighed kale. So this is all the kale that I need for my slaw. I'm going to add it to a bowl. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut my onion. So most of my onions already weighed out in there. I'm just going to show you guys how to cut the onion. So you're going to take an onion, cut it in half, and then you're going to cut it into quarters. So I'm going to cut it in half again. And then after that, you're going to slice it starting from the top, and you're going to do really thin slices. All right, and then you're going to add that to your bowl with the rest of your kale and onions. And the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add my dressing. So just make sure that you're actually shaking your dressing before you're measuring it out, because it does generally separate. So I've measured out my dressing, so I'm just going to add it to the bowl. And you're going to toss it. And it looks like a lot of kale, but it does wilt once you add the dressing to it, so it'll come down. So I've mixed that, and I'm going to go ahead and add it back to my red onion bowl. Third pan. All right. All right. And that is the Bridgewater slaw.